How do you try new Autobody products for free? Open a magazine or log on to the interwebs, and every company has the latest, best product that can totally revolutionize your shop. You'll be better and richer the instant you start using it. Here's the problem. I really don't have the time to do the research, and right now, I can't afford to test something that doesn't deliver on its promises. If you're a small shop, it may have been years since you've seen a manufacturer rep or even your Java rep. So how can a small shop get their hands on the latest products and equipment for the try before you buy experience that large body shop groups like the MSOs get? It seems like every company is standing in line to throw anything at those guys. Well, Norton is trying to find you and to give you things. All you do is go to their website and look for the test drive. Fill out the contact form and a sales rep for your area will be in touch. Quick call for you to tell them what you're currently working with, what are your areas of concerns or interests you have, and any OE programs you might currently be on. You two will pick a day, and the Norton rep will show up with all the products identified in the overview. Then you get to work for an entire day. The rep will offer advice and training as needed. Your techs can provide feedback on the products in real time on a real job without missing any productivity or spending any of that shop money. If you like it, you'll work out a plan to swap it out, training and making sure everything works in the budget you had in mind. That's it. There's no risk. Schedule your test drive with Norton and RSG today.